William Harvey was born in Kent, England, on April 1st, 1578. He was the eldest of 7 children and lived a charmed life. At age 19, in the year 1957, he earned his bachelor's degree at Cambridge University. He then traveled to Italy to study medicine at the University of Padua. At the time, this university was a center for Western European medical instruction. There he studied with Hieronymus Fabricius, who was a well-regarded anatomist and had observed the one-way valves in blood vessels. He graduated with honors in 1602. After he graduated, he went back to England and he became a physician at St. Bartholomew's Hospital. He also became a Fellow of the Royal College of Physicians in 1607 and remained active in the college all throughout his life. In 1618, King James I appointed Harvey as his physician because he was highly thought of in his profession and gained social connections by marrying Elizabeth Brown, a daughter of a physician who served Queen Elizabeth I. He became fascinated with the way blood flowed through the human body. His work on the circulation of blood was encouraged and generously sponsored by King Charles I. Harvey believed that direct observation was the correct way to draw conclusions about scientific facts. He kept careful records of his experiments, but he did not record his findings until he could prove them. He dissected live animals and the bodies of executed criminals to test his theory. While observing, he saw that the heart acted as a pump, pushing the blood throughout the body. He then developed an accurate theory of how the heart and circulatory system operated. The work, titled An Anatomical Exercise on the Motion of the Heart and Blood in Living Beings, was published in 1628 and dedicated to King Charles I. His theory was considered unconventional and was not immediately popular because the standard practice was bloodletting. It was also believed that the liver converted food into blood and was consumed by parts of the body. This did not keep him from studying and theorizing how the body works because he was so fascinated by everything the body did. Because of this fascination, he began to look at reproduction. In 1651, he wrote a book with a collection of essays, in which this collection was called Essays on the Generation of Animals. He theorized that humans and other mammals must reproduce through the joining of an egg and sperm. This theory was so well thought out that the world presumed it was correct. He had died on June 3, 1657. William Harvey Hospital in Ashford was named after him, as well as the Harvey Grammar School in Folkestone. It was years later that, after much research, that his theories about the circulatory system and reproduction of mammals were true. Harvey's work on the circulation of blood is fundamental to modern understandings of the role of the heart in the body, and his theory of reproduction became the basis of modern embryology.